So it's been a while since I've done this. It's been crazy. We are in a whole new place and I am in need of some pants and more wintry type clothes. So I did a Stitch Fix box again. It's been a little while. It'll probably be every 3 months or as needed, which is the beautiful thing. If you guys aren't familiar with Stitch Fix, I will include a link below for you guys to learn more and save on your first order if you have never ordered with them, and we both would get percentage off. All right, so inside is the bundle, and then there's always an envelope, so if you don't like anything, you send it back. It's already stamped. And then they'll throw in other advertisement things, and then they throw in a letter, let's see, and the cost of things. So I'll talk about that after I try things on. I don't like to look at what they cost until after I've tried them on. I don't want it swaying my thoughts. So they'll give you ideas on how to prepare your items, like so. So that's in there. But here is a little note from my stylist. It says, Stephanie, hope this fix finds you well. I'm excited to be your partner in style again for your third fix. I'm glad you found some pieces that you loved from your last fix. Thank you for taking the time to check out the fix preview. That helps you kind of do like a Pinterest board of clothing and pick the things they show you that you like and make comments for your stylist so they can better get to know your style and the things you like and don't like. I'm loving the items that you selected. I went ahead and added them for you today to help you fill your box and freshen your closet this season. Tear open that tissue paper and let's have a look. First up, we have We Wander full length pocket leggings. They have a fun pattern and are great for athleisure or activewear. Wear them with a black tee and the We Wander ruched sleeve cardigan for a great look. For a night out with your friends, try the Love Ellie back detail pullover. It has a fun burgundy color and looks great with jewelry and the Liverpool jeans. Let me know what you love. Best, Megan. So I got to kind of preview like a bunch of options and see if I liked anything and make comments. But I had left a detailed note of what I was looking for. Jeans are one of them. I've liked the capris I had in my first box. They have been amazing, but it's still a little cold for that. And so I thought maybe I'll find some jeans instead of me trying to go find jeans, having a stylist find them, because I hate shopping for jeans. It takes me hours and hours. So this is easier. All right, so here's the bundle. It is thick and heavy. And I see Molly wants to get in on this. You want to sniff? She's like, oh, Mom, do I get a lay on? Do I get a snuggle on? All right, so there's the bundle. It looks like the jeans, the leggings, a hoodie, another top of some sort. I did not see this one. I didn't know about this one. She put a sports bra in there to go with the leggings that matched, but I don't need another sports bra. So she did find something else. All right. Here we go. So hold each one up and then we'll go try them on. So this is the little kind of sweater she was talking about with the back, the Lovely or Love Ellie. It's the brand. And it's a beautiful burgundy. I do love burgundy. Curious to know what my husband thinks, so we'll get his feedback later. And this is nice. I do like Market and Spruce, their clothes. I believe that's what my idea goes. Okay, no, we are not helping Mommy here. Dude, off the paper. And we have Market and Spruce. I've loved all their stuff. So it's a nice little cardigan thing. Oh, that's comfy. I asked for more kind of active wear slash leisure to have around the house, but then I can, you know, run outside. I do like that. Ooh, it's got a pocket. It's got a hood. So we'll try these on. And I think Diego likes the smell. Here is the capri squat. The leggings. Those look comfy. I like the colors. I don't have anything like that. I do have leggings, but they're not full length on me. And then these are a nice dark jean. And I picked them because she put a few in there. These didn't have any buttons and they kind of have the elastic feel. So I thought that may be better because my weight has been adjusting quite a bit right now from detoxing, from moldy environment and hormones. So ladies, if you know how that goes with hormones and weight gain and weight loss, it's hard to find pants. So I should be back down to where I need to be right now. So we'll try and we'll see. All right, I'll be back. So here is the comfy, very comfy pullover hoodie, and it's got thumb holes. I love that. And it's a fun color. There's a good 360. These are the jeans, which they fit. I didn't know being a skinny type jean, I'd get them on, but I was trusting my stylist and seemed to fit. So I'll be curious to know what my hubby thinks and his point of view. But there was the first one, and I will go try on the next shirt. So here's the back. It's like a very light material. It's not heavy, which I kind of like because a lot of my winter sweaters from Wisconsin are really heavy. I'll check on the fabric material and see what it is. But I like how slimming these jeans make my tummy right now. There we go. Now we'll try on the leggings. So here are the leggings. This is one of my tops. And this is the cardigan, the activewear cardigan. It is a quick dry cardigan. So I could wear it for working out or during the day if I know I'm kind of going in between. It's a nice soft material. So are the leggings. The leggings, I'll give you a full back view. So leggings go all the way down for me, and they come up enough for like support. They are tighter than the ones I do own in the sense that they go on tighter, which is good because then they'll stay on. My others, I feel like I have to pull up and down. So I'll probably be moving around in these for a little bit and see how they feel. If they do move, because it's the biggest thing I don't like is having to pull my leggings up if they're coming down, and I don't need that. So I don't know, I feel like these will be a perfect workout pant for that, my activewear. And I love, there's those pockets right there. So again, one more time. And I'll do one more this way. There we go. All right. Now we'll talk about prices and my thoughts and what I might decide on keeping and or sending back. All right, we've got 2 sleeping pups and we've tried everything on. So let's talk about prices for all of these. And let's see. All right. So we have, I'm gonna look at what this one was. This was a favorite for my husband and I. So this was the Market and Spruce one. It's a Brina color blocked something and color mint, size medium, and this is $58. Then we have the Love by Liverpool. These are the this is indigo, it's the color, size 8. These are $88. And then this one was the, go for the tag, I believe this was the Love Ellie. Yeah, the Love Ellie Mia back detail pullover burgundy, size medium, $44. This is the cardigan, Market and Spruce activewear. It's saying We Wonder. I don't think this is right, so I'll have to contact them. So this one says 54, and then these are the We Wonder, and it's the black Flex Stretch Sadie full length pocket performance leggings, and these are $64. So the total is $308 if I bought them all. If I buy them all, I get $77 off. So then that would take the total to $231. Shipping was free, and then I had a credit on my account, so it would drop that down a little bit more if I kept them all. Otherwise, I return them, I don't get the 25% off, but if I buy all, then I would get the 25% off. So that's where I just have to figure, is it worth keeping them all or not? So there you go. I am not sure, I'm gonna have to think about it. Leggings, these I definitely liked for working out, exercising, and I needed something like this that was full length. Hopefully try and get back into running. Cardigan I'm kind of on the fence about. I do like that I don't have anything like it as in material wise. We definitely liked this one, both my husband and I. It was cute, it's different than anything I have. I was curious on material because that may determine a little bit more. Let's see, rayon, polyester, and nylon. So that's why it's super light. And again, these, I liked how they fit. They are more like a legging, and I know my husband said that wasn't quite what he wanted. I'm curious on material. I can find that over here. It's not saying. Looks like 66% polyester and elastine is 2%. 14% modal, 21% viscose, and then 57% cotton. It's quite a blend. That's probably why they're so soft and comfy. This one was definitely a yes. So the ones I'm leaning towards keeping are these three for sure. On the fence, more on the hubby side, this one I was kind of sold because I liked how they fit. This one is kind of really on the fence of, do I need it right now? Do I not? Would I use it very often? That sort of thing. So this one is could be potentially one I don't keep. So we'll go from there. All right, I will keep you guys posted on any new videos and any new Stitch Fix videos. So stay tuned and keep watching, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't. We should hopefully have some more material coming up soon. It's been busy, it's been crazy, and that's life. Hopefully we'll have some like do-yourself home videos as well for you guys, since we will be redoing our home and painting and taking down wallpaper and giving you guys tips and tricks about that. All right, see y'all next time. Bye everyone.